Good morning, San Diego, and today we're in Linda Vista, and we're gonna be pipe bursting and repipe the whole house. They're under construction. They make some renovation, and this is a really smart way to replace everything when you're on the process to remodel your house. And right now, I will explain you what we have here. First off, they have a clean out over here, and somewhere here is a clay pipe. From here, cast iron. We're gonna be digging all this area, and we're gonna be install the cast iron pipe over here, ABS, and from here we're gonna be install equipment, and we will do pipe burst into the house. Pipe from here, come into the property, make a turn 45 here, and go straight to the house. It's gonna be there. Here, how you see, guys already put the new pressure regulators, valves, go inside the house, new hose bib. This is under pressure tested. We do repipe, like two processes same time, working two separate crew. One crew doing repipe, another crew doing replacing the sewer and the pipe bursting. Here's the house. Homeowner originally, he just planned like cosmetic remodel here and move the tenant in, but they find out they have a big cracks in the footing, and he hired other company who do concrete, and they repair the footing and concrete inside. He do really good, nice work here. They start working in the bathroom and find out pipe is bad, and it's how Almco come up here, and the water line is bad. And it's a really smart way. When everything is in the process, it's probably 30% cost to do repipe when you're on the process of remodel than do repipe when someone else already living in. Here is the bathroom. We don't touch the both tub and shower state because this is more expensive. Floor is already jackhammer because crack going here. Here's a cast iron pipe, and cast iron pipe is bad. And how you see, you look at the pipe and say, hey, pipe is great, they like new. And you'd never be guaranteed, because if you look it down here, this is the same pipe. It's no pipe, and no one break it, no one's use hammer, it's just that pipe over here. And 6-inch above, it's a perfect, great condition, no question. Over here, is it that pipe? Completely dead. And this is why good to do remodel. And you cannot never know running the camera to say pipe of the condition, because all what you see, it's a corrosion and a lot of buildups inside. And barely you can see the crack. If it's crack happened there or not, it's almost impossible to see. But right now over here, to open only one bathroom, we replace drain for both bathrooms, and we replace water line for both bathrooms. And also we install new shower valves. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but we're able to do. And because we have access to this bathroom, we're gonna be replace kitchen. And let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, you see this water line, and this is the hot and cold water line going in. This is the hot and cold water lines going inside. And this is the condition of the pipe. Like, yeah, probably bad. You don't want it to do repair, like do all this and then have a slab leak in the 6 months when tenant just moved in and you finish the remodel process. Okay, guys working here, disconnected what's needed. Let's go around outside this way, and I show the kitchen. Kitchen is really nice. Access over here. Here's the laundry is already collapsed and doesn't work, and they rerouted the laundry to the kitchen exposed. Over here, we already break it everything and prepared to start pipe bursting from here. Like pad, we're gonna be start over here and going through the house. This is gonna be process go over here, and yeah, this is all what's gonna be done. It's take us approximately 3 to 4 days to complete the project, from start to finish. Guys did so quick pipe bursting, we're not able to came in time here, and right now as we can see only result. This is the new ABS pipe. How you see over here, this is the SDR17, this is the ABS. It's a both black plastic pipe, but you cannot connect it with a glue coupling because SDR17 is not created for the glue it, and glue joint is gonna be failed, and we use Husky band. It's gonna be 100% good. This is the rerouted laundry, clean out, and kitchen inside. This is the new water lines already come for the kitchen. And on this project, we do both repipe sewer and repipe water. And we do whole house for 3 days. And I have some video in a picture, how guys doing over here the clean outs. Of course, we're a little bit late with the camera over here when they did all the work, but I have some video from the phone, see how the quality, we can add it, how they dig in, because I think 5 feet down over here, 4.5, 5 feet down, but clay pipe is over here, and we have tunneled it under sidewalk, like 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet. It's tunneled it under, and it's take a little bit time, but we're working on that. And two-way cleanouts. One cleanout will go in through the city, all the way down, another cleanout going through the house. We have a kitchen cleanout, and let's go, I show you under sink cleanout. Actually here we have a lot of bad pipes, like Mickey Mouse pipes, and we install new ball valve. This is the main water valve. This is for the sprinkler system valve, and pressure regulator. They regulate water for the sprinkler system, and they regulate water for the house. And you have a hose bib over here, and all is great. Here is a situation where foundation has a crack and owner repaired the foundation. It's a good time for the project, and it takes us faster to do because no one live here. We can put dirt and bags all around, and we don't care about that because house under construction. This is easier for us working than in house where someone live. It's probably will take us 4 to 5 days. If house and people live in the house, probably 5 days minimum will take us to do. But because there's no one live here, it's save almost 40% of the time. Okay, new water line on the attic. I don't know if we have video or pictures over there.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, and here's a drain and how's the working everything. Okay. Here we're in time. They're not done because if you miss in 5 minutes, then boom, 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 everything is done, and nothing to take a picture or video. It has to be a second, everything. Okay, here is the clean out for the sink. Here's a figure 5 for the one sink and another 2 sinks back to back. Long 90, it has to be long 90 over here, pipe going 45 and going to the main line. And going down, and how you see there's SDR 17 pipe connected to ABS. We have a Y, and this Y going for tub and shower 2 sides, and they go into the kitchen. And right now here is a new P-trap, new drain, everything is brand new. We probably will have video and footage over there what we can put it in. Yeah, we do not install angle valve right now because it's easier to cover the drywall, put the cabinet, and then install angle valves. It's easy, more nice and clean work. For us, it's better to install it right now, and we don't care who do after that. But it's not professional. It's take a little bit more time for us to back and install angle valves later, but it's way better for you like homeowner because job is going to be way more clean. Okay, here's a drain, trap and drain for the shower. Is all replaced, and here's a connection SDR to ABS. If you want to know more about sewer pipes and everything what's going on with this, all this pipe is all houses built before 1970. It's always a cast iron pipe, and all this cast iron pipe 90, 95, 98, 99% dead pipe or sectional. Some is like crazy bad, some is not crazy bad, but it still lasts like 3-5 years the most. Ask me if you have a question in the comments. Ask whatever question you have, whatever you want me to know and tell you about these things. Let me know, and we will happy to answer your question or make a next video with answer for your questions. But this is cast iron pipe, and we replace it all over San Diego. Subscribe the channel, follow Almco Plumbing, and let's go to journey together.